Hello, welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change black to any color you want using Affinity Photo and even white. So you can change black to any color you want and even white. I think I already filmed this tutorial, but the audio was missing, so here I am filming again. So let's just get started. I will show you 3 different ways that you can do this. So the first way is using the Recolor tool. You can see right here that if I just slide it, it changes. And it's using the channel mixer and using the curves tool. So as always, let's just get started. So okay, the first thing that you will be needing is to make a selection of the area that you want to do. I already made a selection for this photo, so you can see it right here that I have all the blacks. So just take your selection, go into adjustments, and let's press adjustments, and here you will see an option that says recolor. Just press that and you're ready to go. You see it changes to any color you want. So let's put it on this purple because it looks pretty. And that's basically, this is the easiest way that you have to change the color. Now to make it white, we use this slider that says lightness, and you use to slide it up. Let's lower the saturation just like that. So right here it looks black, and let's just slide it up. Okay, you can see that the white looks really fake, so let's just change the blend mode to screen, and let's lower it just a little bit around there. So the effect that it has, it's basically like a metallic white. Okay, so just like that, it's basically white. So you can make it even whiter. It's just that it really depends on the type of photo. So for this photo, this is as white as it's going to get. You can play with the mixing modes just to see if you find something that looks better. So for example, if I choose glow, it looks like it's metallic. So it looks like it's metallic, and you can use basically all the tools that you have here so you can turn it white. Okay, let's use art light. Looks really cool, looks really clean, just like that. Okay, so that's the first option. Now the second option, let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this layer, and let's get rid of this adjustment layer. Now the second option, it's using curves. So go here and select curves just like that, and you will see the curves panel right here. Now just press here where it says master, and you can choose the reds. Now if we move the reds a little bit up, you can see that it turns red. There's like a copperish color. Let's just move it up, and now if we go into the greens, we move it up, it becomes like a yellow. We move it down, it becomes like a more deep red, almost like a amethyst. So let's just, and if we go up, it becomes green. Let's just leave it right here. And now let's go into the blues. Same thing, if you go down, it becomes yellow. It goes up, you can see that it starts to become purple. So just like that. I really like this purple color. Let's just tweak it so it becomes a little bit more purple. And see, this is the second method, is using curves just like that. It's really cool, it's really easy. We reset everything, so we can change it to gray and just move up the point so it becomes like white, just like that. Let's leave it there. Let's lower. Let's like that, and you can see that it's white. Okay, it's like a grayish, but it's as white as it's gonna get without losing that much like detail. And like I said, it works different from photo to photo. So from this photo, it's really hard because it's paper, but for any other photos, this method should work really good. So this is using curves. So like I said, I like this method for doing colors because you can see that it's really easy to make it any color. And it looks, in my opinion, it looks better than the other method. Okay, so now the third method is using the channel mixer. Let's just click here, right there. We move the other colors, you see that it starts to become red. And if we select green, the other colors starts to become yellow, going to blue, and just like that we get the same purple that I previously had. Okay, and to make it white here, gray, we can play with the intensity and we just select the offset. We can make it less intense. We can even play with the alpha and again with the offset, just like that. And that's basically it. That's how you can basically turn black into any color you want, including white. So as always, thank you so much for watching the tutorial and see you on the next video. Peace. Again, I don't know why I still do this. It's just like, it's really fun to just like, and like the video ends right now.